How you doing, everybody? Just gonna be showing yet another Thunderbird butane double torch flame insert video. I have an old Zippo here, one that I value a lot, means a lot to me. I've had this thing since 2000, January of 2000. Good old made in USA. Show the reveal there. It's held up quite nicely for a 17-year-old lighter. It's gonna be a little difficult here, one-handed. We have let's see if we can get it down in just one hand. Slides in. Hold the pin back. Great Zippo sound. Great look. Can't wait to see the looks I'm gonna get from the people when they see me pull this out to smoke my cigar. And they start already looking bad at me because I got a Zippo. But they don't know that I have an ace hidden, which is my double torch. You can see a nice high flame there. And I love my old Zippo sound. Look at that. Can't wait to smoke a cigar tonight. For those curious, what's on the back of the packaging here. What's the front look like? A few instructions on how to keep your lighter trouble-free. More of their products. Maintenance guide. How to receive the warranty. That's everything that came with it. And I will definitely be enjoying this. And you guys are going to start seeing this in my cigar videos.